All right, you all come to this video. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to explore some of the features in Canva application. Yes, after installing Canva, you can install Canva on your device or you can use the web version of Canva. You can go to Chrome, your Chrome browser, and then you search for canva.com. You sign up and it will direct you to this homepage. So this is the homepage of Canva. Yes, this is the homepage of Canva. When you launch Canva for the first time, this is what you are going to see. You are going to see a lot. Canva entails a lot. It entails a lot. We have a lot of features here that you can explore. Yes. So these things are going to help us in our design journey. So as a graphic designer, you have to understand all these things so that when we start designing, you'll be able to fathom everything that we are doing here. Yes. So I will start from this top button here and then we move to down here. So for the first thing, we have set your content and canvas. All right, maybe you want to design something like birthday flyers, but you don't know how birthday flyer is. You can search for birthday flyers here. Birthday flyer. You can search for birthday flyers here. And then you wait. Canva uses mobile data. So in case of anything, you have to wait for it to load. Yes. Due to your network connectivity, it can take time. Oh. You have to exercise patience and then you wait. So we have Canva template. It's a lot. It's a flyer by a lot of flyers. Yes, you will see a lot of flyers, but just because it's because of the network problem that you are not seeing them. Let me check. So we have some here. You can just pick one of these and then edit it directly. But I will advise you from this angle. And then don't use Canva template. Why am I saying this? This Canva template limits your creativity. As a graphic designer, as a human being, we are creative. You have your own way. How are you going to polish yourself so that what is in you will come out? How are you going to do that? Don't just base on people's own as a stepping stone. Although sometimes you have to look at people's own and then you try to do the same, but you are unique. Yes. So some of the Canva template, don't use them. Don't use them. It will limit your creativity. All right. So that is for set your content and canvas. You can set for anything that you want to design to get an inspiration. Yeah. And after that, we have this icon here, this menu icon. If you click on it, you have access to your account. Then you have access to all your designs. Yes. The brand, we have some apps that are being integrated in Canva. Yes. We have a lot of things. We have trash here. Things that you have deleted, when you go to trash, you'll be able to see them. You have your designs, everything. And then notification here. All right. I think we are done with this menu bar and then search button here. Now, let's come to this place. This is the home page of Canva. And it's like your home. It's where your resources are. It's where your things are. So when you come to the home page of Canva, you'll be able to see your recent designs. Yes, Canva automatically save your designs. So in this home page, you'll be able to see or you'll be able to find all your already made designs. And then we have project. Project simply means it's like your already made designs. We have plus icon here. It's very, very important. We have template. Template is the same as like already made designs in Canva that you can edit it and then make it as your own. Then we have the account. My own is Canva for Education. It's different from what you'll be using now, but it's like they all function the same. Yes, they all function the same. So the most important thing here is the plus icon. Let's click on this plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, it means you want to design something. Yes, but anything that you want to design, we have a size for that thing. Some of the things, sometimes your client will give you a work to do, and then he will give you his own size. Some of them, they want to print, after designing it, they will go and print it out. So you have to be very, very careful in choosing the size. Gone are the days we struggle when choosing that size. But now Canva has made it easy in such a way that when you come here, maybe you want to design a poster. When you click on this, Canva automatically give you a size for poster. You want to design something for Instagram, like Instagram post, it will automatically give it to you. You want to design a logo, when you click on logo, it will give it to you. Yes, but here being the case whereby your client has given you his or her own size. Now you come to custom size here. It means you are coming to customize your size. You want your own size. You click on custom size, and then Canva will give you access to choose your own custom size. So for the custom size, we have the width, we have the height, and then the unit. For the units, you can put it in pesos, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. Most of the time, some people will just go and use wood and other stuff. They will measure the length of their, let's say, they will measure the length, the weight, and everything, and then they will send it to you in centimeters. How are you going to do that in Pencil App? So for Canva, you'll be able to do, just come and insert, just make sure that the unit is in centimeters, not in pesos, and then use that. But for this training or for this tutorial, we are going to deal with pesos. So anything that we are doing here, we are dealing with what? Pesos. And I'm choosing 3,200 by 3,200 pesos. Immediately you type 3,200 by 3,200, or you insert the right size, you will see that this one will pop. You will see create a new design. Yes, create a new design here. You can click on it. But I want to teach you why I chose 3,200 by 3,200. Because I want a flyer in a square shape, or a square shape flyer. Yes, let's click on create design. Now we are moving from the home page to our design area, or where we want to design our flyer. All right. When you click on create new design, you will see something like this. Just press and hold this place, bring it down, and access to your working area. When you have access to your working area like this is your working area. This is where you are going to design your flyers, your logos, banners, everything. And we have a lot of tools here. We have a lot. Canva entails a lot. If you want to use your smartphone to design, or your phone to design, the best app I can recommend to you is Canva. It's very, very good, but just that it uses mobile data. So always you have to make sure that you have an internet connection. All right, let's move on. Let's talk about things at this place. So this is the same as the menu button I showed you on the home page. It's the same. Let me click on it. So hope you have seen it. You have access to your account, the home, the brand, the apps that are being integrated in Canva, the classwork. Sometimes you create a team, and then you and your team, you give them assignment, they will do, and then they submit. Yes, you have access to your recent designs, notification. All right. Okay, let me talk about this. We have the undo button and then the redo button. What is the function of this? Let me come to element and then show you the function of the undo and then the redo button. I want to pick an element, something like this. Click on an empty space. I hope you have seen that Immediately I picked an element, this button has been highlighted. So if I click on it, this one will delete. Or let me delete this. Let me delete it. I have deleted it. Let me click on this and let's see something. I hope you have seen that it has come back. So sometimes when you are designing, you can make a mistake by deleting what you are not supposed to delete. You can just come back and then you do it. And we have a redo button also here, of which you can click on it. It will move you backward. All right. So I've talked about this one and this one. Let's move to this line. You know, okay, for this line is very, very important. Let me click on it. You will be able to see a lot of things here. You can edit your size, you create a new design, upload your files, you resize, you view pages, settings. Let's go to settings and let me show you something. I hope you have seen something here called margin. It says show margin. Let me click on it. All right, let's go. You are not seeing the margin here again, but let me show you something. When you come to graphic design, there is something we called alignment. Alignment is one of the principle behind graphic designing. Any successful graphic designer must understand alignment. Alignment simply means arranging your text and everything, shapes and everything on the flyer very, very, very well. As a graphic designer, you are communicating a message. As you are communicating a message, you have to package yourself well. You have to arrange your words. You arrange your shapes. You are the one controlling what you want your client or your viewer to see first before they read another thing. When a teacher comes to class and he or she is teaching, first of all, you write a topic. The teacher is trying to tell you that, okay, first of all, the main focus or the central idea is the topic. So just look at the topic. So you look at the topic, aside that, then you come down to the subtopic, and then you are coming a bit by bit. All right. So when you come here, we have something we call show margin here. Show margin. Let me show margin. You have to click on it and you have to make sure that this margin has come. Anytime that you want to design, make sure that you have this. Yes. When you have this will help you to align your text, arrange your text. Yes. It will help you to arrange your things very, very, very well. All right. So we are done with this. Let's move to this place. This one is the same thing. You customize. Maybe you want to use a size. You can use Instagram post square. Maybe someone told you to design, let's say, social media flyer. You click on social media and then you choose the size from this place direct. All right. Let's move on. This one is not. It's not important. Very important. We are talking about the current page. He said there are no comments on this page. Sometimes you can give comments. Yes. And then we have a lot of pages. Let me move on. We have this. This is a download icon or a download button. When you have finished designing everything, you click on this and it will give you access to download it. Sometimes you don't want to download it. You want to share it. Share the link for your friend to come and view or to come and review your design. You can do that at this place. Yes, you can do that. All right, I think we are done with tools here or element here. Let's come to this place. We have design element. Okay, let me talk about this interface. Let's select it or click on it. If you click on it, you can replace this background. Maybe you have your own background already. You can replace this with a background, your own background. All that you need to do is to click on replace, and you have access to all your images. Yes, so that you can replace this one with the main background that Canva has given to you. Always, Canva will give you a white background. Yes, always. The Canva will give you a white background. Yes, so let's select it. After the replace, you can change the color of the background. You click on color, and then you can change it to your preferred color. You can change it. We have a lot of color. You can click on this arrow, and then you move it. We have a gradient colors here. Oh, we have a lot in Canva. Canva entails a lot. That's why Canva is a paid or it's a pro. We have a pro version of Canva there. It entails a lot. Okay. This one is for those who create videos. This one is layers. Okay. For layers, maybe you want to select something and the thing is too tiny or the thing is too small. You can't use your hand or your mouse pointer to select it. Just come to this place and then click on layers. You'll be able to see all the layers and select it from this place. And then you use it. Let me click on more and let's see. So you can comment, you can add a page. To add a page simply means, I hope you have seen that we have this page. Let me click on this plus icon here. So we have 2 pages now. Hope you have seen it. If you click on it, it will give you another. We have 3. So if you click on it 10 times, it will give you 10 pages. All right, let's move on. But let me delete the pages. Okay, we have only 1. Now we are moving to this place. Let's explore these features also. First one, we have design. When you click on design, it will give you access to search for template about what you want to design. You want to gain an inspiration. You want to get ideas from different template or from different flyers. You can search for template here, flyer. Maybe you want to design flyers, so you can search for flyers. So we have a lot of flyers here, of which you can edit them and then make it your own. But I would advise you not to do that because it will limit your creativity. All right, let's move on. After the design, we have element. Click on element. Element, we have a lot of things at this place. For element, we have shapes, we have graphics, we have stickers, we have photos, we have videos, audios, charts, tables, frames, grids, mockups, collection, a lot of things. So when you come to shape, you can click on see all. Everything about shape will pop up. Yes, of which you can use any of them. When you come to what again? Photos, you can click on see all. You see a lot of photos. And you can also search for things here. Element, you can search for a lot of things. Let's say I want to search for hot cry. Okay, let's say YouTube logo. Yeah, I want to search for YouTube logo. You have to wait because Canva uses what? Mobile data. I hope you have seen it. So for graphics, you can click on see or you get a lot of template about that. And you can use them. But the thing is, if you are using a free version of Canva, you are limited to some of the features. So you can use this because it's free. But when you see this EDU, for your own, it will be pro. My own is education account. That's why you are seeing EDU. For your own, it will be pro. If you see them, run away from them because if you use them in your design, Canva will put their watermark on your design. Yes, they will put their watermark on your design. All right. Let's move on. And we have mockups. Let's try to mock. Let me show you something small about mockups. So for mockups, let's select it. After selecting it like this, you click on an empty space. You go to your upload. Some people, the upload will not come. You will see gallery there. Yes, you can move directly to your gallery. All right. You have to wait. So this is the picture. Press and hold it. And then wait for Canva to do the magic for you. You wait for Canva to do the magic for you. Canva, be fast. Canva, be fast. All right. So when you click on test, next thing we have test here. You click on test, and then you click on add heading. After clicking on add heading, you have to delete what is there, and then you'll be able to write your own. Maybe you want to write what? Design Dreamers Academy. You click on an empty space and then you wait. You select it. You reduce the size. Yes, this is how to insert text. You can go to when you write a text like this, you have a chance to edit it, to give it a font, text styles, font size, color, format, spacing, a lot of things. A lot of things. For Canva, I can't show you everything. So you have to explore. Explore yourself. Yes. You yourself just explore the futures. Just move on, learn a lot about Canva. Canva is good. Canva is good. So you go to font. Let's do something small. Then you click on this arrow. We have a lot of font. You can change it. Hope you have seen it. You have seen that the thing has changed. Yes, a lot of font that you can use. You can even search for font here. When you come to try calligraphy, search for font. Maybe you want to use a font called what? Anton. Anton, here is it. Then you tap on it. I hope you have seen it. So we have Design Dreamers Academy. You can change the text styles. You can change the font size by decreasing it, increasing it. Then you can change the color to red, to black, to any color of your choice. Yes, to any color. You can format it by bolding it, italic, underline, left alignment, right, center, and then a lot of things. You can do a lot. With Canva. Yes. You can come to spacing. When you come to spacing, we have letter spacing. You can space in the letters. And then you can space in, we have line spacing also. This one, we have only one line. That's why the line spacing is not showing. And we have effect. You can give it a shadow. Let's move to shadow and see. You can increase the offset, direction, the blur radius, transparency. Oh, a lot. Animate. You can animate your flyers. That one, we will talk about it later. Transparency, I hope you have seen it. We have layers. When you click on layers, we have a lot of things here. I hope you have seen that Design Dreamers Academy has been selected. But maybe we want to select the phone icon. We can select it from this end, and then we come and use it here. I hope you have seen the mockup. Just see. Yes. Our picture has been inserted in this one. Let me make it to front end for you to see. I hope you have seen it. Yes. So this is called what? Mockup. Let me delete it. And then select the text. Let's move on. Leave it. Think we have talked about effect, animate, transparency, layers. We have position. Yes, for the Design Dreamers Academy, you can move it forward to front, backward, and to back. When you click on to back, it will automatically go backward, the last place of the design. But when you click on backward, it will go one by one. When you click on forward, it will come front one by one. But when you click on to front, it will jump to the front face of the design direct. We have the nudge. We use the nudge to position our things. So you can move it upward, bring it down, left, right, a lot. You click on more. You can click on more. When you click on more, we have a lot of options here. You can copy it, you can paste things here, you can duplicate, you can delete, you can lock it, you can select multiple things, you can select them. So when you click on lock, this thing has been locked. When you want to unlock it, just click on this padlock. It's simple. Click on this padlock and it has been unlocked. All right. So we have talked about element test. For brand, we will talk about it later. Let's move on to upload. Upload is how to, Canva is like Canva has given you a website where you want to upload your things to. Maybe you want to use them in Canva. You can upload your things to this place. And then this place doesn't mean your things are in your working area. No. It's like it's a website that Canva has given to you to upload your things there when you want to use them. Yes. So, and this place is not a gallery. Sure. So if you want to upload things into the Canva application, you can go to upload fast. The next thing, you click on device. And then you come to media picker. This video is getting too long. Media picker, and you get access to all your designs. Click on this. Yes, you look for where your things are, then you pick one. Click on done. It will automatically upload to this place, and then you can use it. Okay, all right, let me search for other important feature here. Think for all these things, they are not needed for now. So this is how to use Canva application. This is an introduction to Canva. Now let's move on to the practical section, how to design the flyers and other stuff. See you in the next video.